Let's do the spinal twist using the Pilates ring. Now I'm going to sit sideways so you have a better vantage point of everything that I'm doing. Let's see here. This way you can see everything. At this point, my feet are parallel to each other. Now, think of all the points that we've talked about with everything. My pubic bone is aiming straight down to the floor, shoulders are down and back, and my chest is uplifted. From here, pressing just ever so slightly in with the arms. The shoulders still stay back and down, so your shoulder blades are in your back pockets. And from the very center of your spine, slowly rotate without moving your pelvis, without changing your shoulders, and then slowly go the other way. If you go too far, or maybe you have a little bit of challenges with some flexibility, you might feel that one foot becomes longer than the other. Then you've gone too far. So your movement should keep you in perfect positioning, moving and traveling slow and utilizing your breath as you're moving. So as I am rotating, I'm still thinking about my shoulder blades back and down. I'm aiming my pubic bone to the floor and my feet are not moving. Let's do one more to each side. Inhale one way and exhale the other, keeping just a little bit of tension in between both arms and keeping those shoulder blades back. And release. See, interestingly enough, when we start to move through our spine, we actually pump nutrition through the spine, which is a good thing. So we want to be able to move through the spine, but without moving their body. Because think of it this way, if my goal is to move through my spine, but I'm starting to move through my hips, then I'm not doing what I need to be doing with my spine. I'm not allowing it to become strong on its own. So the goal here is to keep these feet, they stay parallel, and to move in a way that nothing else moves. It's literally only that rotation in the very center. So try that for a little bit. Take your time, breathe as you're moving, and keep your posture up and tall.